Hello, welcome to That's Easy channel. I've got another tutorial video for you, but before we dive into it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new tutorials and you'll help the channel grow. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add emotion in 11 Labs. First, we got to choose a voice and type our sample sentence below. Now let's check how it sounds without any modification.
What is happening?
Okay, now let's try to change the stability a little bit.
What is happening?
As you can see, what makes it more or less emotional is the stability, so you just have to play with it a bit to find what you're looking for. So this is it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.